Formula Botanica's Certificate in Natural Cosmetic Preservation is an in-depth online course for experienced formulators who want to learn how to preserve their products safely and naturally. Do you worry about your cosmetics growing dangerous microorganisms? This certificate teaches you the complex language of cosmetic preservation. When you study with us, you will learn how to select the best natural preservative system for your formulations and keep your customers safe. Study the microorganisms that are frequently found in cosmetics and learn the factors that encourage their growth. Understand how to comply with the law when preserving your formulations. Access our list of over 20 naturally derived preservatives, including those approved for organic certification. Learn how to make your skincare range safe while still maintaining its natural status. And receive our detailed flowcharts and checklists to help choose the right natural preservative. Enroll for our certificate in Natural Cosmetic Preservation and gain access to our award-winning and accredited e-learning platform. We give you 1 year to comfortably complete this 4-module online course. Cosmetic preservation is one of the biggest challenges facing any skincare entrepreneur. Learn how to sell your formulations to the public with a clear conscience by studying with Formula Botanica.